Welcome student, standard 10th, subject mathematics 2nd, unit number 6, trigonometry, subunit practice set 6.1. Now we see the example 4 in example number 6. What is the example? Simple example. Prove that sec theta minus cos theta into cot theta plus tan theta is equal to tan theta into sec theta. How can we solve this? First we take the left hand side of this example. Which is the left hand side? Sec theta minus cos theta into cot theta plus tan theta. Now how can we solve this? Remember, sec theta is the reciprocal of cos theta. So we here write 1 upon cos theta. This term is not changed. Now remember the term cot theta in cos theta and sin theta. What is the formula? Cos theta upon sin theta means cot theta. This term written as tan theta means ratio of sin theta upon cos theta. Give reason here. Sec theta is 1 upon cos theta. Cot theta is cos theta upon sin theta. And tan theta is the ratio of sin theta upon cos theta. Now we solve this taking cross multiplication. 1 into 1, 1 minus cos theta into cos theta, cos square theta. Upon cos theta into 1 gives cos theta. Taking cross multiplication here, cos theta into cos theta, cos square theta, sin theta into sin theta, sin square theta. Therefore sin square theta plus cos square theta divided by sin theta into cos theta. Sin theta into cos theta. Now you remember the identity sin square plus cos square. Sin square plus cos square. This is the fundamental identity having answer 1. And we subtract here 1 minus cos square. 1 minus cos square gives sin square theta. So use this identity here. It gives sin square theta, denominator cos theta, and this gives answer of this term is 1 divided by sin theta into cos theta. Sin square means sin theta into sin theta. Remaining all terms as it is, sin theta into cos theta. Now cancelling sin theta into sin theta. Now identify. See here, sin theta upon cos theta. This is the remaining term. Sin theta upon cos theta into here 1 upon into 1 upon cos theta. Now remember sin theta upon cos theta. See here, this is the tan theta. Tan theta. And cos theta, 1 upon cos means sec theta. We see here, this is the identity of sec theta. And hence we get its right hand side is equal to RHS. And we conclude that LHS is equal to RHS. And hence the proof of this example. Example number 5. In example number 6, prove that cot theta plus tan theta is equal to cosec theta into sec theta. First we is taking left hand side, cot theta plus tan theta. Now remember the cot theta and tan theta in terms of cos and sin. Cot theta is the ratio of cos theta upon sin theta, and tan theta is the ratio of sin theta upon cos theta. So we replace, write down respective formulas. This is the cos theta upon sin theta. This is the ratio of sin theta upon cos theta. Now taking cross multiplication, sin into sin gives sin square theta, cos into cos gives cos square theta, and sin theta into cos theta. Now identify, remember this identity, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. This is the identity. So we replace here, for this we taking 1 and no change in denominator, sin theta into cos theta. Now see our right hand side, cosec theta into sec theta, this is our m. So we separate here, see here, 1 upon sin theta, and this is right at 1 upon cos theta, only separate. But what is the identity of 1 upon sin theta? What is the reciprocal of cosec theta, cos theta? 1 upon sin theta means it is the reciprocal of cosec theta, and 1 upon cos theta, it is the reciprocal of sec theta. Write down here, cosec theta is the reciprocal of sin theta and sec theta is the reciprocal of cos theta, and hence we get right hand side. Hence we conclude LHS is equal to RHS. Hence the proof. Example number 6. In example number 6, prove that 1 upon sec theta minus tan theta is equal to sec theta plus tan theta. So we take left hand side, 1 upon sec theta minus tan theta. This example is solved by two methods. Either substitute sec theta means 1 upon cos theta, tan theta means sin upon cos theta. Taking cross multiplication, we reach to RHS. Or to solve this, rationalize this term. What is the rationalization factor of sec theta minus tan theta? Sec theta plus tan theta, and multiply this factor to both numerator and denominator. Means here, this is given 1 upon sec theta minus tan theta. We rationalize this factor, means sec theta plus tan theta. Multiply these to both numerator and denominator. Means no change at all. Now simplify. Multiply sec theta plus tan theta into 1 means sec theta plus tan theta. Here a minus b into a plus b means a square plus b square. Use this identity. Here we use sec theta square minus tan square theta or square of tan theta. Now remember the identity, fundamental identity, 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. We subtract in this side tan square theta, we get sec square theta minus tan square theta. What is the value of sec square theta? We subtracting, we get sec square theta minus tan square theta is 1. So value of sec square minus tan square is 1. Numerator no change, divided by value of these is 1, and hence our RHS sec theta plus tan theta is equal to RHS, and conclude that LHS is equal to RHS. Hence the proof of example number 6 in example number 6.